Hello everyone and welcome to this week's watch list review. I have not looked at this list to see how it did this week, but here was the watch list at Apple, eBay, Western Digital, and Caterpillar. So let's take a look and see how they did. So start with Apple. We were looking for a break above last week's high of 152.43. We didn't get it, so no trigger there. No trigger, no trade. eBay, I had it either direction, either break above or break below. We got the break below. You can see right here, the low was 73.86, so that was our trigger. Target one was 72.07. We hit 72.53, so we didn't quite get there. Almost, not quite. So yeah, you can't call that a winner. But I mean, you could have made money on it, but it didn't play out the way that I had planned. Western Digital, definitely a good one here. It actually hit all 5 targets. Broke the high, triggered, broke all 5 targets. Definitely a good one there. We can go down to the daily and see that on the 11th, which was Tuesday. No. Oh, yesterday actually. Actually, it triggered before that. It triggered on the 8th, which was Monday. It triggered Monday, hit the first target, almost hit the second, then it pulled back. So you may not have got all 5 targets, but at least you would have got the first target here. So well, it looks that, and that's why I go down to the smaller time frames. Like I said, if you look at it on the weekly, it looks like, oh great, hit all 5 targets, and I initially thought, yeah, it did hit all 5 targets. You come down to the daily, you see, well, it actually only hit the first target, almost the second. Before it pulled back, it would have stopped you out. So either way, it's still a winner though. Caterpillar was the last one. I was looking for a break to the upside. It did break to the upside and took out the first 2 targets. But again, let's go down to the daily, take a look. So it triggered on, actually it gapped, that's right, this is the one I was talking about, it gapping up because the infrastructure bill. This one gapped up above the second target and then just sold off from there and started to bounce. So this probably would have been a no trade. Probably wouldn't have entered it. I even mentioned, I think I mentioned somewhere that I would just take this, it might have been Twitter. I think I mentioned I would just take this one off my list. It might have been in the last video I did. I think I did say that if it gaps up past a certain point, I would just take it off my list and not even look at it again. So this one gapped up. This would have been a no trade for me. So that's it for the watch list review for this week. Not a great watch list. Western Digital worked out, but eBay, Apple didn't trigger. eBay triggered, but it didn't quite hit its target. And Caterpillar gapped and was no trade. So that's it for this week. I'll do some scans, get a list out for next week, and get a video out. Thanks for watching. Bye.